Hi guys, I recently showed you my daughter had given me some electrical items so that I could take them apart or do a tear down. So this is the first one. This is an electric knife. You normally plug the blades in at this end. It does actually work. I'll just plug it in. It's a Carlton, item number 558087, 240 volts, 50 hertz, 100 watts, made in Hong Kong. So we'll unplug it and we'll see if we can open it up. My only interest is to see what sort of electric motor it's got in it. So this isn't a repair video. It's just a strip down, have a look, see what's inside, if there's anything worth keeping. Normally I even keep the screws, but to be quite honest, I've got a great big container full of screws. I don't need any more. Having said that, I've no doubt that I'll turn around tomorrow and need one that's that long. Okay, well, nothing very exciting in there. Can we zoom in a bit? What we've got is a worm gear on the motor that's turning a gear that is at right angles to it, so that we're converting rotary motion that way to forwards backwards motion that way. Yeah, I just think we could take that apart and have a look. Let's start at this end. You can see there's a fan on the end of it to help the cooling. I must say those screws with the washer on them do come in handy, so I might save that. So we've got capacitor. I'm assuming that's a resistor across there. Not quite sure what that bit is. It appears to be the wire coiled round a bit. Whether that acts as a thermal fuse, I don't know, or whether it's acting as a choke. Anyway, I always save the wire and the plug. Yeah, not quite sure what those bits are about. That there That's actually the on-off switch, isn't it? So it's just that brass pillar there is pushed into there to make contact. I've got the camera upside down, viewing it from in front of me. It's not an angle I use very often. We can see the worm gear a bit easier now. I was hoping that would drop right out, but it won't. No. Let's take the rest of it apart. I'm looking at the motor, I'm wondering if it's one of those, so they call them universal motors that'll work on DC or AC. Right, that's the well, the cam effect, isn't it? As that gear turns round, I don't think I can do it. No, I can't do it without. Ah, how about doing it this way? That's better. Yeah. It's pulling this in and out. I think we can see that happening. So rotary motion being converted to linear motion. And this one looks like it's 90 degrees out of phase to the one on the other side. So you've got two knife blades, and they're, can I just show that? Yeah, they're going like that. And I can't quite get my fingers to move that way. Okay. Don't think I've got any use for something like that at the moment. See the commutator in there. So if it's got a commutator, does that mean it will run off DC? Because it was certainly running off AC, wasn't it? I wonder how many volts it would need to run off DC. Well, I've given it a little try with 12 volts DC and it's not interested. I'm not surprised, but I thought I'd just try it. Holding it this way up, I think we can see this cam effect a little bit easier. See one side going in while the other side's coming out and then changing over. So that's how the knives work. Okay, well that's that. Don't know whether I'll save that motor or not. I've got quite a few of them tucked away. I might put it in a box for now, but that's as far as I'm going to go.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.